Hey everybody, it's Miss Cuellar here, and welcome to week 6 of online learning, which is for the week of April 27th through May 1st. So these are your math instructions for the week. So as you can see, I've already logged into ClassLink and clicked on Canvas, and now I'm on my dashboard, and let's go into the math course. Once I'm in the math course, I'm going to click on Student View. This is how it will look to you when you click on your math course. So when you scroll down, you can see that I have already posted and updated the week 6 learning plans. These were emailed to parents last Friday already. So this is what you will be doing all week in math. So the way that we've broken it down Monday through Friday, Monday through Thursday, you will always have some type of like video, direct teach mini lesson video to watch for that day, and then some practice problems that go along with it. And you'll have that for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday is when you will have an assessment on what was taught Monday through Thursday. And that is the grade that will actually be recorded in the gradebook, in Skyward, the online gradebook. Once you complete that, then you could work on Dreambox or iReady lessons. So let's scroll back up. You're going to find all of this stuff. You should know by now for week 6, everything is always in the module section of each course in Canvas. So we scroll back up. Let's go to our math modules section. And at the top is where week 6 is for this week. And if you were still needing to complete an assignment or two from last week, you just would scroll down past the optional stuff. The week 5, it's all still here. So if you did need to complete a couple of things really quick from last week, you could. And then you just scroll all the way back up and here's the week 6. I'm always going to have the current week show up at the very top. Okay? So this module is open, but you will see that you cannot click on anything besides the very first thing, because that's how we're doing this now. Because we're teaching new material, it's very important that you go in order. Okay? So you will start with this video, watch it, and then after you've watched that video, then this assignment would be available for you to click on. And you see right here that it says that it's a total of 100 points. So the highest grade you can make is 100. And you have to score at least a 60 for it to unlock the next thing. Some of you from last week were saying, well, I took this, I did it, and I still can't click on anything else. Well, that's probably because maybe you made a 40 or something like that. Like you have to make a 60 or higher on each assignment to unlock the next thing. Okay, so once you take this practice assignment and you do score 60 or higher, then this video will become available for you to click on. And once you watch that video, then this assignment will become available. If you score a 60 or higher, then this will unlock and become available. And you just work your way all the way down till you get here to this assignment that has the gold star next to it. I'm using this gold star as a symbol that those are the assignments that will actually go in the gradebook. Okay, so you have to work your way all the way down through this math module until you get to this assignment that has the gold star. Once you get to this assignment and you've completed it, and we want you to score at least a 75, after you've done that, then you're done with math for the week. Okay, so you can either work on this day by day like we suggest, like, okay, you do this and this on the first day. Then you do these 2 things on the second day. Or I know some students are wanting to just do the whole thing all in one day, or maybe get it done Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and that way they're done for the whole week. It's whatever works best for you and your family's schedule. So you could do this whole math module all in one day if it's not too much for you, or you could just do a little bit each day. Okay, it's up to you. So just remember, click on modules when you get in here, and everything is locked. You have to go in order to unlock the next thing. You have to make at least a 60 or higher to unlock the next assignment or the next video. All right, and you have to work all the way down to the gold star and take that assignment. Okay, I am going to be emailing parents towards the end of the week, probably by Thursday, if you still have a lot of assignments that you have not completed yet. We would love for everybody to finish all of their assignments by the end of Friday. However, if you do need the extra time over the weekend to work, you can. Everything needs to be finished by Sunday evening because I have to enter grades that next Monday morning. Okay? So, as always, just email me or let me know if you have any questions about any of this. All right? Have fun.